Hello everyone, my name is AyaCica and today I'm gonna make this Valentine's Day makeup, my first Valentine's Day makeup. First, on my clean face, I'm using my Garnier BB cream and I'm just blending all over my face with a beauty blender. This is my first Valentine's Day makeup in this season, and it's all about getting noticed and get a boy in this year. Next, I'm gonna use my Claire's bronzer. Yes, I still really like Claire's. I know it's not the best brand, but I love it so much. There's a lot of good product there too. So I wanted to tell before anything that I just making makeup looks. I don't think that you need to look like this to get a boy. Yeah, and before doing anything with my eyes, I'm curl my lashes. And I'm using my Only You eyeshadow primer and I'm tapping all over with my fingers because that's how I do this. And then I'm using my NYX In Your Element Fire palette and this beautiful color. It's a little bit purplish red and green. I love this color so much because it's everything in one color. I love it so much. So I wanted to say this just looks, I won't say that you need to look like this to get a boy. And from this Claire's palette I'm using green on it because I love mixing these two colors. So I don't know if I can. Yeah, and I just using my eyeshadow primer to make it clean there. Yeah, so I wanted to say that for finding love you need to be yourself and love it, and someone see you pretty because he's love you. Okay, I use just a simple black eyeshadow on my eyebrows, and then I'm using this mascara from Oriflame that I really love because it makes my eyelashes super long, but it won't look more, just beautiful long lashes. I love this mascara so much. And then I'm using this pair of false lashes from Claire's too. I said I love Claire's products so much, and all of my lashes from them. And then I'm using on the same mascara again. And then I'm using simple red lipstick from NYX. I have a few red lipsticks from them now because I didn't have one. Okay, now I'm using my I Love You So Much palette, one of them, highlighting palette, and I'm using this golden color for this look because it's a little bit green, a brown, a red. The gold is perfect for it. Okay, this is the finished look. If you like this, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe. There is a lots of link in the description that you should check out. And see you in the next video. Bye!